Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper barrel cactus. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. All the materials and the template will be linked below the video. The template will be a cut file for the Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines, and unfortunately, this won't be available for hand cutting. First, you'll need to cut 8 of these spike patterns with white cardstock paper, and I like to typically use 65-pound text weight cardstock paper. Gently grab them off the mat. Next, cut this pattern with green cardstock paper. This shape has small tabs on the side, and we will be folding them down gently. You do not need to fully crease, just gently shape them down. Finish doing that to all of them around the circle. Then shape the flowers from the spike pattern, slightly bend them up. Then take this white glue, I'll be linking below, and glue the bottom strip. Make sure you are using the fine tip for the glue so we don't get it too messy with the glue. Then tuck the white spike piece on the opposite side from the tabs and try to get this piece as close to the edge as possible and making sure the flowers are all on the outer side. If you flip it over, you could see what it will look like in the inside of the cactus when we are done. Then I like to add the glue on the straight side near the edge, and little glue in the beginning was very helpful for me. Then I take the tabs and glue that under. You want to hold it down for a few seconds before moving on. Then close it on the bottom as well. This shape should naturally round the edges. You want to be mindful with the gluing so it doesn't get too messy, and because we are using dark green paper, if the glue gets messy, it will show against the green paper. I also like to scratch it off with my nails after it dries in sections that look messy. Keep doing this process going in order around the circle. Tuck the white spike piece in and glue the back and close the tabs under. I also have a few different paper cactus tutorials and templates available, and I will link that below for you. They would pair very well together in a pot, mixing and matching. I also make this a little bigger and smaller to make a variety of sizes. If you want to adjust the size, make sure to adjust them linked together with the green part and the spike together. I also wanted to see if the hot glue would work and test it out. It was definitely a little messier, but it's nice that it dries very quick. You could try it out for yourself and see which one you prefer, but I do think the white glue gives you more room to adjust while the glue is drying with a cleaner look. So what I ended up doing is using the white glue for the spike and the top part of the tabs, and I wait for it to fully dry. Then when it rounds out to the bottom, I use hot glue for the bigger tabs on the bottom. I hope this makes sense. The last couple tabs, I don't fully glue the bottom and just get the spikes all in and the top tabs glued, so I have enough room for my hands to reach in. Once you have all the spikes in and the top tabs glued, you could go back and glue the bottom portion with the hot glue gun. Next, go back to the spikes and fluff up the spikes. I try to grab each piece and force them up. You could use a small stick to help, but my nails picked up all the spikes. You could also add wire on the bottom by just gluing it inside on the bottom sides, which I would do it if it was an order for a customer, but I'm making this for my home, so I'll be just gluing them down onto some moss in a pot. Next will be the small flower that goes on top of the cactus. You can do any vibrant color, but I chose this fuchsia color. Cut 5 pieces and glue them crisscrossing each layer, then shape them up. Then glue that onto the top of the cactus. These are perfect to keep in your home or office, and you'll never get poked by them on accident like the real ones. Try making them in different sizes and add them into a pot with some moss. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.